I have applied for Tehsildar post.
Okay, Tehsildar.
Yes.
The features of your English test.
Comprehension.
Okay.
And of composition.
So you mean to say that there are two parts?
Yes.
No, the first one is composition and the next one is comprehension. No? So you are over here at this platform for the preparation of these two portions. What's your concept of this composition?
Basic English parts of speech, direct, indirect, sentence completion, synonyms, antonyms, and word substitution.
Okay. Should I share my understanding of composition with you?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
You can see this hand.
Yes.
What?
Hand.
A hand. This hand comprises a number of components, parts, etc. It has a palm. This palm is one of the parts, one of the components of hand. This is known as thumb. These are fingers. And if you look minutely, you would come to know that they are lines as well. So that is another component. So all these compose, all these make a body. What?
Body.
A body. And that body is known as hand. If we observe each component, for example, fingers, thumbs, even lines, and if you look at this palm, if we observe with more keenness, we come to know that each finger, it has further division. Like, what's that?
Nails.
Nail. Points clear?
Yes.
English language is a body, as these are the parts which make this hand. And the same is the case with the language. Language has also some parts, and they are 9 in number. We shall discuss them now in detail now. Ready?
Yes.
Answer to what is noun? What?
Mouse.
So mouse is?
Noun.
What?
Keyboard.
So keyboard is?
Noun.
What?
Curtain.
So curtain is?
Noun.
What?
Door.
So door is?
Noun.
Book. Noun. Table. Noun. Mashallah. What?
Noise.
So noise is? Noun. What?
Speech is noun.
What?
Noun.
Teacup. So teacup is?
Noun.
This is discussion.
Noun.
Understanding.
Noun.
Boredom.
Noun.
Excellent. Excitement.
Noun.
Class.
Noun.
So answer to what question is always?
Noun.
Points clear? We shall discuss it in detail that noun, it can be abstract, it can be concrete. When we say knowledge,
abstract.
Very good. Book, concrete, mashallah.
Because it is visible.
Excellent. This shall be our whole session. We shall discuss first word in detail, and we can say what? Concrete now. Concrete, no. How many? One. Clear? We shall discuss that it can be singular or it can be plural. We can discuss it later on. It is that masculine, feminine, male or female. Has it? No. So it's neuter. Table is? Neuter. It is a noun. It is concrete. Neuter. What we'll discuss is a proper, is a common, it's a material, it's collective. Answer to who is also noun. Who? A man. Man is noun. Who? Teacher. So teacher is noun. Who? Mr. Mohsin. So Mohsin is noun. Who?
Mr.
Shahzad is noun. Pakistani, noun. Muslim, noun. Excellent. Boy, noun. Points clear? And answer to how? Answer to
how
is adjective. How simple that is. What? Mouse. So mouse is noun. How? Black.
Yes, sir.
How?
Black.
So this black is adjective. No?
Yes.
How? Oh, dusty. So dusty is adjective.
Yes.
Useful. Yes. So useful is adjective. No. You can see. Functional. No.
Yes.
So functional.
Adjective.
No. Points clear?
Yes.
And then as move forward, we talk about that there is that pronoun is there, then again adverb is there, that conjunction is there, interjection is there, article is there, and so many. There are 9 parts we shall discuss, but in a different way. We shall try to understand in a very simple way. I do call it KISS. K-I-S-S. Keep it simple and short. So these are the parts of something which make some body. And after that we shall now talk about comprehension. Comprehension means perfect understanding. To understand something perfectly is called comprehension. Did you comprehend the meaning?
Yes.
It means your comprehension is excellent. No. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow, inshallah, Aziz.